Sponsoring local events can be a smart way to grow your business, but only if you pick the right events and track what you get back from them. It works best when your target customers are actually the ones attending, so it should never be a random decision. Think of event sponsorship like planting a seed in the right kind of soil. If you sell home repair services and you sponsor a local Little League team, you're getting your name in front of parents who own homes and probably need your services someday. That's good soil, but if you sponsor a random art festival where most people are just passing through and don't even live in your area, you're planting seeds in concrete. Something a lot of folks don't realize is that the real value isn't just the logo on a banner, it's the follow-up. Smart business owners collect emails or phone numbers at these events through a raffle or sign-up sheet. Then follow up afterward with a friendly message. That follow-up step is where the actual return on investment happens, not the sponsorship itself. One common mistake is sponsoring too many events without ever measuring results, so you end up spending money and having no idea what actually worked. The fix is simple. Track every event with a special code or a dedicated phone number so you know exactly where new customers came from. Another misconception is thinking bigger events are always better. Sometimes a small neighborhood event with 50 highly engaged families beats a huge festival with thousands of people who forget your name by the next day. Focus on connection, not crowd size. Lastly, many business owners forget to actually show up and talk to people at their own sponsored event, treating it like a passive ad instead of a relationship-building opportunity. Be present, shake hands, and make it personal. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.